Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP is still caught in a correction. First of all, you can see that it's basically just been moving sideways since Friday, the 18th of August. So last couple of weeks, also just sideways action, it seems, with reduced volatility. Now it's getting interesting because the XRP price is moving towards this descending trend line here. This is a trend line that I think is quite meaningful, because it started basically up here in July, end of July. So it's quite a substantial trend line. Also, we have enough touch points to make it relevant. Now, XRP is holding currently above support. So we have some structural support levels here identified in previous videos. We have, let me just make that a bit larger. We've got the following support levels: 49.9, 49.4, and 48.6 cents. When these get broken, they will confirm further that the price is following here the roadmap on the chart, which should still lead to lower prices below 43 cents to end a larger correction from which XRP could then recover quite substantially. However, we need to be careful with XRP because it hasn't produced a clean impulse in many years. I'm not sure if it ever created an impulse. It really only is creating corrective patterns. XRP likes to do that. Okay, that's just a feature of the chart. So therefore, we always need to be careful, and on our toes with XRP, and to expect basically the unexpected. But at the moment, in the short term, we are watching if XRP can get to that trend line and maybe even break it. Because if the price can break above the trend line, it would unlock higher prices, in my opinion. So if I show you that trend line, first of all, we've got this descending trend line run through here, and a break above the trend line could send it quite quickly to 63 cents. There isn't much there in terms of historical resistance or anything in between, so you can see how quickly it dropped as well. So the likelihood would suggest it could potentially go up quite quickly. However, first of all, it's caught below resistance. Not only the trend line, but actually Fib resistance, and the wave count also allows for lower prices. I'm primarily watching for lower prices still, until the price can give me a signal that something else is going on. However, I know how it works with XRP. We have a very choppy price structure here, and we can use the Elliott Wave method to identify some structures and everything. But at some point, and you start to develop a feeling for this, right? At some point, XRP gets a bit stubborn and doesn't want to follow them anymore. We had 3 nice resistance areas that the price reacted to here. So this was a B wave top in a triangle. Then price came down in a wave 1 in a 5-wave move, which is forecasted. Fantastic. Price retraced here as well. Yeah, that was on the 1st of September. Was also really nice. Good trend reversal area. Then came down, retraced into our resistance area here for potential wave 2. Reacted, nice. And now it's starting to get choppy again. So, and now it seems to me that even though it looks like, we had 5 waves down, 3 waves up, that it should really follow through to the downside, it's not doing it. That is often, when we look at the XRP chart, a warning that it might suddenly start a bit of a rally into the opposite direction to the upside. And I'm first watching, we've got a support area here, which is currently sort of reacting to, not really a solid trade setup or anything, but a support area where I think, okay, this looks like a triangle, so it might very well be that this B wave is unfolding as a triangle, could break to the upside. Why? Because if we have a WXY structure in this wave 2, and resistance is all the way up to 52.5 cents, which means that, yes, we've got the trend line. I find Fib resistance more reliable though. So if the price goes higher, I will first watch if it breaks 52.5 cents. If it does that, it would need a change in wave count, something more bullish. Until then, this could easily just be a WXY structure in a wave 2, in which it is now in the Y wave, and the Y wave consists of an ABC, and the B wave is a triangle, to keep it simple, as simple as possible on this chart. Now, this is just what I've seen many times. When it suddenly doesn't follow the path directly, it can mean it makes another quick rally into the opposite direction here in a 3-wave move ABC, and then comes down. Now again, this is more like intuition. I don't know, it's could be wrong. the main focus is on lower against 52.5 cents. But it's just a difficult chart because it often moves in corrective structures. And I think we've got that next nice resistance area just above us. So it's just that after it topped and reacted, it topped in this resistance area and already reacted here to the golden ratio actually. It didn't really follow through to the downside. Well, it did, recovered, okay, fine, it should have followed through then. Didn't. This move down was corrective. I shared that with you yesterday. So I highlighted to you this move down looks corrective here, which bottomed on the 5th of September. This swing low at 49.9 cents, but it actually reached the support level there. And has just been consolidating since then. So there is not really the momentum to the downside here on this time frame. Okay, that's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. As a channel member, you get access to a weekly live stream, which is always educational, lots of tutorial live streams. Then you can get access to our Discord and Telegram live chat groups. And as a gold member, you get additional market updates about all sorts of altcoins and Bitcoin, Ethereum, even between videos. And in addition to that, you get a lot of educational material about Elliott Wave trading and so on. And also make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.